Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, grade 2, topic 6, lesson 2. Models to subtract 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. So today, our lesson, you will use place value and models to subtract 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. How? I will show you. There are 22 students drawing pictures. 4 students finish drawing. How many students are still drawing? Here, some 4 finished drawing. So the whole, I have 22 students. How many students finish? 4. How many students are still drawing? So there is one part is missing. When I have one missing part, I will do subtraction. In subtraction, I start with the whole. What is the whole? The whole is 22. Minus. What is the part you know? The part I know is 4. So 22 minus 4. And then we want to subtract 4 from 2. How? Can I subtract 4 from 2? Again, how many ones do I have here? Here, how many ones? I have 2 ones. So, you want to subtract 4 from 2? Do you have enough ones to subtract 4? No, I don't have. I don't have enough ones here to subtract 4 from it. So what we will do? We will do regrouping. Yes, I can regroup 1, 10, make it 10 ones. Let us use the place value models. As I told you before, if you want to draw 110 rod like this. Okay, so I have 110 rod and now I have 2 10 rods. How many in the ones? I have 2 because what is the number? The number is 22. Now, can you subtract 4 from 2? No. So what you will do? I will regroup 110, make it 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the first step, I regrouped 110. I exchange it into 10 ones. Can you now subtract 4 from the ones you have? Yes, I can. If you will subtract minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many ones left? 8 ones left. 8 ones left. How many tens left? 1. So what is the answer? 1 in the tens, 8 in the ones. So the difference is 18. When you get the answer after equals, we call it difference. For any subtraction equation, we call it difference. Okay? So today, what you will do, you can regroup 110, make it 10 ones to help you to subtract. One more time, turn the page. Look at the bridge here. 32 minus 5. What number does the place value chart show? Here, I have 3 in the tens and 2 in the ones. So 32. 32. Do you have enough ones to subtract 5 from 32? No. 5 ones is more than 2 ones. I can't subtract 5 from 2. So what we will do, regroup one 10 as 10 ones. How do the drawing of place value blocks here show regrouping? What we did, can you see? 110 rod is exchanged for 10 ones cubes. Can you see? And here we have 10 more ones now. Okay. Now I have to subtract the ones, then subtract the tens. What does the subtraction frame show in the ones column? Here. Okay, 12 minus 5. I have now 12 cubes minus 5. And then, what does the subtraction frame here, the subtraction frame, show in the tens column? In the tens column, I have 2 tens. I regroup 1 10, that's why I wrote here 2 left, to make 10 ones. So instead of having 2 in the ones, now I have 12 in the ones. So what does 32 minus 5 equal? How many ones left? 7. How many tens left? 2. So what is the difference? 27. Clear? Clear? So there are 2 tens and 7 ones left. So again, how can you draw place value blocks to show how to regroup to subtract 23 minus 8? For example, 23 minus 8. It's an example. So what you will do, I draw 23 as 2 tens rods and 3 ones cubes. Then I cross out 1 10 rod and draw 10 ones cubes to show the exchange. Okay, 1 10, 4, as we said, 4 10 ones. Then I cross out 8 ones cubes, so 23 minus 8 equals 15, correct? 15. One more time. Why do you need to regroup when you subtract 32 minus 5? Do we have enough ones? No, there are no enough ones in 32 to subtract 5. I don't have enough ones to subtract 5 from it. I don't have. One more example. Here, 23 minus 5. Can I subtract 5 from 3? No, there are no enough ones. So what you will do, please do help the ones. I will regroup 1 10, so 1 left. And then I will give the 10 ones to the ones. So 10 plus 3, 13. Can we do subtraction now? Do I have enough ones? Yes. 13 minus 5 equals 8. And 1, we will just put it like this. No tens here. 0 tens. Here, as I have 0 tens. So one more time, if you will draw 2 tens and 3 ones, 1, 2, 3, then can I subtract 5 from 3? No. So I will regroup 1 10. That's why I will cut here 1 rod of tens and 1 only left. Can you see? 1 only left. Now I will make 10 more ones. Why? Because I regrouped 1 10, I made it 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, can I subtract 5? Yes, you can subtract 5. Just cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 in the ones. And how many left in the tens? 1 in the tens. One more time. 35 minus 8. Can I subtract 8 from 5? No, I don't have enough ones in 5. 8 is greater than 5. So how I will subtract it from 5? I can't. So what you will do, I will regroup 110. I had 3 tens, take 1. So now I have 2 in the tens. You will give the tens to whom? To the ones. So instead of having 5, add 110. To the ones, add 110. 5 plus 10, 15. 15 minus 8 equals 7. Do I have here any tens to subtract from 2? No, as I have 0. I don't have any tens in the tens place value here. No tens. So you will just move 2. Okay? I want you to do 35, 3 rows of tens, and then 5 here once. Then show me the regrouping. You will cross out 110 and add here 10 once. Then take away 8 if you want to draw. Turn the page. Again. 63 minus 2. Ask yourself first, can I subtract 2 from 3? 2 is greater than 3? No, 2 is lesser, so I can subtract. When the first number here, the ones is greater than the ones in the second number, no need for regrouping. I have enough ones to subtract. No need for regrouping. So what you will do, I will subtract 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Do I have here any tens to subtract? No. Subtract from 6? No. So 6 the same. Here I didn't do any regrouping because the ones in the first number is greater than the ones in the second number. I can subtract 2 from 3. Okay? Here, 91 minus 7. Can I subtract 7 from 1? 1. Here, the first number, the ones is greater than the ones in the second number? No, 1 is lesser. I can't say I have 1 chocolate. I will give 7 to my friend. How? You have only 1. So you can't give 7. So what you will do? Regroup. So instead of having 9 tenths, give me 1. So it will be 8 tenths. You will give the rod of 10 to the ones. It was 1. 1 plus 10, 11. Now 11 minus 7. Can you subtract now 11 minus 7? Yes, 11 is greater than 7. So I can subtract. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Any tens here? No, 0 tens. So 8 minus 0, 8. Again, can I subtract 9 from 6? No, 6 is lesser than 9. We don't have enough ones to subtract 9. We don't have enough ones. So who will help the ones? The tens. I have 6 in the tens. It will give 1 10 to the ones. So instead of 6, it will be 5. And instead of 6, they have now the ones, they have one more 10. So 6 plus 1, 16. 16 minus 9. Now I have enough ones to subtract 9? Yes. 16 minus 9 equals 16 minus 9 equals how many? 1 minute. 16 minus 9 equals 7. 7. And then here I have 5. No tens. Can I subtract 2 minus 6? No. 2 is lesser. So what you will do? I will regroup. I will make a group. Take 1 from the tens, so 4 left. And then 2, add the 110 you regrouped into 10 ones. So now I have 12 in the ones. 12 minus 6 equals 6. And do I have here any tens to subtract? No, I have here 0 tens. So 4 minus 0, 4. What numbers will complete the subtraction equation? I told you before, first of all, you will draw the model. We know here in subtraction, we will put the whole. I have the two parts I have, but the whole is missing. So what you will do, I will add part 1 plus part 2 to get the whole. In subtraction, I start with the whole. Or you can draw the bar model. The whole is missing. The part I know, the first one is 8. Part 2 is 17. So 17 plus 8, 25. 7 plus 8, 15. 5, I regroup 5. And then 1 plus 1 in the tens equals 25. Here the missing is part 1. Again, here the missing is part 1. When one part is missing, you will do subtraction. The whole minus part 2 equals part 1. So here 34 minus 9. Can I subtract 9 from 4? Can I? No. So what you will do, you will cross 4, it will be 14. I regroup 110 from 3. 3 now becomes 2. It gave 10 to the ones. I have 14. So 14 minus 9 equals, sorry, here 29. 14 minus 9 equals 5. And then 2 minus 2 equals 0. 0 on the left side, no need for it. But on the right side, it's very important to show you the place value of the ones. Okay? But when 0 comes in the tens place value, as it is not here, nothing. So we can just write here 5. Take care. If I have 50, I have 0 in the ones and 5 in the tens. But if I have 0, 5, I have 5 in the ones, 0 in the tens, so no need to write it. Okay, turn the page. There are 23 students playing tag. It's a children game, tag. It's a children game. One chases the rest. I'm sure you know it. Okay. So it's a game. There are 23 students in all, the whole, the greater number 23. 9 students go home. How many students are still playing? So we know it's subtraction. It's subtraction. I have the whole. The whole is 23. So 2 in the tens and 3 in the ones. Minus 9 students go home. So minus 9. Can I subtract 3 minus 9? No, I can't. I can't subtract 3 minus 9. I don't have enough ones. So what you will do? I will regroup. Regroup. Take 1, 10. So 1 only left. 2 minus 1, 1. Who will take the 1 I crossed? The ones. So 3 and 1, 10 equals 13. 13 minus 9 equals 4. And then 1 minus nothing minus 0 equals 1. So the answer is 14 students. Okay, number 10, page 332. There are 67 books on the shelf. Diane takes, so subtraction, takes 5. This is the part, the first part. How many books are left on the shelf? Left, subtraction. In subtraction, I start with the whole, 67. 67. Minus the part I know. The part I know is 5. Equals the missing part. Part 2 is missing. Can I subtract 7 minus 5? Yes, I can. I have enough ones. 7 is greater than 5. So 7 take away 5 equals 2. So here no need to regroup. 6 will be 6. 6 minus nothing minus 0 equals 6. So the answer is 62. Number 11. What mistake did Alia make when she subtracted 72 minus 4? This is Alia work. Can we do ours? So 72, 7 in the tens, 2 in the ones, minus 4. Can I subtract 2 minus 4? No, I don't have enough ones to subtract 2 minus 4. So what you will do? 7, the tens will help us. How? 7 will give us 110. So 7 becomes 6 because it will give us 110. 2 now has extra 10. 2 and 10 more ones equals 12. We are doing regrouping. 12 minus 4, can I do subtraction now? Yes, I have enough ones to do subtraction. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. And then 6 minus 0, nothing in the tens equals 6. So the answer is 68. She didn't regroup. Tens and ones. She did subtracted already. She subtracted 4 minus 2. She switched it. Can I? Take care. No, we can't. Addition can be in any order, but subtraction, no. No way. So please don't repeat Alia mistake. So when you have here 70, for example, 76 minus 8, don't tell me, okay, it's the same 78 minus 6, and then 8 minus 6 equals 2. No, wrong. Take care. Okay? Take care. Silly mistake. Why you switched? The first number is the first number in subtraction. Okay? Number 12. Draw place value blocks to model each subtraction. Would you regroup to show the difference? Choose yes or no. Okay, I will tell you one rule. If you will follow it, you will do this question in seconds. Yes, within seconds. How? Always underline the ones. And this question will come in the exam, by the way. So always underline the ones. Underline the ones. Then ask yourself, can I subtract 3 from 9? 9 is greater? Yes, 9 is greater, so I will not do regrouping. Done. You finished. This question, no need to subtract and get the difference. No. I am asking you about the regrouping. Do you need to regroup? Yes or no? 0 minus 0. We will take help from 3? No, we will not. We will not regroup. 7 minus 8. Can I say 7 minus 8? No, I can't. We don't have enough ones. 7 is greater than 8. 7 is greater than 8. Okay? Is it? No, 7 is lesser. If the first number here is greater than the other number, you will no need to regroup. But when this number is lesser than the second number, I need to regroup. I want to enlarge it, make it big, bigger, larger. Okay? So we want to make it big. How? We want to enlarge it. We want to make it 17. Okay. Then minus 8. So this is regrouping. So yes, we need to regroup. Can I say 5 minus 5? Can I do subtraction 5 minus 5? Yes. Easy, 5 minus 5 equals 0. So do I need regrouping? No need for regrouping. No need. Okay? Clear? For number 11, what mistake did Alia make when she subtracted 72 minus 4? Again, 4 ones is more than 2 ones. Always remember, when I have 4 here and 2 here, 4 ones is more than 2 ones. So I can't subtract 4 from 2. I can't subtract 4 from 2. I need to regroup. I need to regroup. I will regroup 110 as 10 ones to get enough ones, so that I can subtract 4. If I will tell you another example, 63 minus 7. Huh? Can I do subtraction like this normally? Or I will say 7 minus 3. No, we can't say 7 minus 3. We can't switch. We will say 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. So 3 ones here is lesser than 7 ones. So I can't subtract 7 from 3. I can't. I need to regroup. Regroup 110 will be 5. Regroup 110, okay, as 10 ones, it will be 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 5 here will be 5 without any change because I have 0 in the tens. here, 0, as I have 0. So 5 minus 0 equals 5. Clear? Okay? Thank you. Do your homework. It's easy. Just please don't do mistake in regrouping. In regrouping, start by crossing out the tens. Then add the ones. Because some students, they used to regroup without crossing one from the tens. No. When you will do regrouping in subtraction, the first step, cross out the tens. One less. And then add the ones. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice weekend.